The all-in sensor protects all your property, whether at work, at home, or on the road. That's not even half of what this device can do. Let me show you. The all-in sensor is protected but not limited to being a simple alarm system. It's smart and very easy to use while being invulnerable, effective, and affordable. The all-in sensor is a single device doing the work of a dozen other gadgets. Welcome to the future. The all-in sensor is wireless, compact, and versatile. All that information from a device the size of a matchbox? You better buy one right now before they're sold out. The all-in sensor can be employed in almost any situation you can imagine. Your house, your place of business, a hotel room, your luggage, your car, your tent. Anywhere you want to monitor, keep safe, and control electronic devices, the all-in sensor can go. And perhaps most importantly, it's not connected to the internet at large, only your smartphone. This prevents the equipment and, by extension, you from getting hacked. Normally, you would need all of this and an internet connection to turn on a smart light. Not anymore. You can switch on any device now directly from your phone, or let the all-in sensor do it automatically for you. You can choose which sensors you want to be active, as well as the actions they trigger, both locally and from far away. The all-in sensor is the all-in-one solution for security and connectivity at home or on the road. With these features and many more, it's a no-brainer to back the all-in sensor today.